This week, a powerful AI player entered the India chat in a whole new way. In fact, it officially set up shop in Bangalore just the day before yesterday. Most of us are well aware that OpenAI and specifically ChatGPT has been growing a massive user base in India. It currently stands at 100 million weekly users, which is the company's second largest base, coming up just behind the US. Now, the powerful player I mentioned earlier has been seeing growing adoption in India over the last year, but it is yet to reach the same popularity as ChatGPT. I'm talking about Anthropic's Claude, which has been quite busy making headlines since the beginning of this month. Let's start with the latest. At the India AI Impact Summit, which is going on in Delhi right now, Anthropic announced its first office in India. It also announced a whole host of partnerships across sectors including legal, education, health, agriculture, and more. Then, yesterday, it said that it will be collaborating with Infosys, one of the biggest tech companies in India, to build AI agents for telecommunications and other regulated industries. So basically, Anthropic is here, and from the looks of it, it's here to stay. If you didn't know, Anthropic's founder, Dario Amodei, had actually left OpenAI to build Anthropic as an AI safety and research public benefit corporation. It's geared towards studying AI and anticipating safety and security loopholes that are bound to come with a fast developing, still largely unregulated technology. As far as its identity as an ethical AI company was concerned, Anthropic seemed to be doing everything right. But then, this weekend, the Wall Street Journal broke the news that the US military had used Claude during a mission to capture former Venezuelan President Nicolas Maduro, which goes in a completely opposite direction from Anthropic's ethical stance. Because Anthropic's usage guidelines explicitly prohibit Claude from being used to facilitate violence, develop weapons, or conduct surveillance. And this brings a very uncomfortable question into focus. See, India's massive population has been and will most likely continue to be the favorite data rich market for tech giants. But now, the possibility and the use of Claude for what it itself considers as non ethical purposes is looking more likely. So, what happens when one of the few self proclaimed ethical AI companies is also slowly, possibly becoming part of the problem?